Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Stuck choosing between the Canon Portrait and Travel Kit and the Canon 100mm macro lens? It's a classic versatility versus specialization dilemma. Are you a jack-of-all-trades photographer or a detail-obsessed artist?
The Portrait and Travel Kit B08 HQ PM-F3C is tempting, right? 2 lenses for around $349. You get a 50mm f/1.8 and a 10 to 18mm. But is that convenience worth sacrificing the image quality of a dedicated lens like the 100mm macro B07 DNHX4HR?
Exactly. Imagine this. You're backpacking through Europe. You want to capture the grand cathedrals with a 10 to 18mm wide angle, then grab some stunning portraits of your travel buddies with that beautiful f/1.8 bokeh on the 50mm. One kit, endless possibilities.
Hold on. The 100mm macro, part of Canon's prestigious L series, is built like a tank and delivers incredible sharpness. We're talking about revealing details you never knew existed. Plus, that image stabilization is a lifesaver for handheld macro shots. It's currently selling for around $644 renewed.
Okay, let's break down the key differences. The Portrait and Travel Kit is all about flexibility. The EFS 10 to 18mm gives you that super wide 16mm equivalent field of view, perfect for landscapes and architecture. Then the EF 50mm f/1.8 STM shines in low light and creates those lovely blurred backgrounds. It's a great starter kit.
But the 100mm macro isn't just for bugs and flowers. That 100mm focal length is fantastic for portraits too, giving you amazing subject isolation and compression. And with a closest focusing distance of just 0.99 feet, you can get incredibly intimate with your subjects. Think stunning close-ups of eyes, textures, and details. So here's the crunch. Are you prioritizing flexibility or pure image quality and specialized capabilities?
The kit's lenses are good all-rounders, and at $349, it's a budget-friendly way to expand your creative options. But remember, these are renewed lenses, and while they're rated 4.7 stars, they might not have the same optical performance as a brand new L-series lens.
The 100mm macro is a specialized tool for a specific type of photographer. It excels at close-up work and portraits, but it's not ideal for landscapes. However, the image quality and sharpness are unmatched. It's an investment in your photography.
Ultimately, the best choice depends on your photographic style and budget.
If you're a travel enthusiast who wants to capture a wide range of subjects without breaking the bank, the Portrait and Travel Kit is a solid choice.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, portraiture, and demand the highest image quality, the 100mm macro is the clear winner. Consider what you love to shoot, and let that guide your decision. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.